The adjective I would use is vibrant,
Unity,
Empathetic.
Radical.
creative,
nurturing,
progressive, innovative,
customer focus.
A happy place and a home away from home.
I actually trained to be a lawyer.
I've been a finance world person throughout my 16 years of experience in the corporate banking with various MNC banks.
And I worked as a lawyer for 3 years.
Always wanted to be a part of startup. While I couldn't start one, I think I accidentally got this opportunity at KaleidoFin and I was quite excited.
At some point, Puneet and Sucharita were thinking about a digital financial inclusion business. Is when they reached out to me to see if I would be interested.
I started looking out for opportunities at the intersection of business, finance and development. And it just so happened that KaleidoFin was a startup in my home city, working towards solving those exact problems that I was interested in.
So when Suchaita and I started KaleidoFin, we knew that we can't do this well unless and until we had a very, very strong team.
It's really something that inspires me to come into work every day, brainstorm with these folks, really know that I'm innovating with the best in industry to work towards building this together.
And all core decisions at KaleidoFin we do collectively. We come up on the table, we talk about how does it impact the function, the organization, its key goals.
As a team, I think we've always had great time. It's quite fun, culturally very fun-loving organization. A lot of humor gets involved in, when we do the business, and that is shown in the result. We are able to achieve. When we have to achieve, we achieve. When we have to have fun, we have fun.
and above all, it's a fun place to work. It's a great place to work. I mean, look at this office, look at the people here. We always have, every day is like a fun day, and there's something fun that's happening almost every week. We've got a Kaleido band, we've got a book club, we've got a group called Madi Totam, which does terrace farming.
We pride ourselves on our flexibility as well. So, I have 2 girls. For me, being able to balance both is very important, and that, that flexibility is also super important for a lot of people, and we are able to attract fantastic talent because of that.
Being a part of KaleidoFin means that you're joining a fast-growing organization which is offering many, many opportunities for people to be able to grow and develop.
I started out as a generalist in the business team. After 2 years, I was able to kind of transition to a product. I think the company has been so willing to let me kind of explore all my different interests.
That's what really makes KaleidoFin a fantastic place to work, because you bring in your entire skill set, you're able to work with the most cutting edge technology, but you're able to apply it towards a problem that has real impact.
The greatest joy that that I have is bringing people to be part of the KaleidoFin team, and seeing them contribute, seeing them grow and blossom as people.
KaleidoFin வந்து என் வீடு மாதிரி.
Full smile from you. Coming very unnaturally.
Yeah.